whooping up your pulse. You understand? So if the corona pass through and say it might give you a body temperature test.
Yeah, dirty pot.
Yeah. That means that when time ready to score it off.
Jamaican breakfast. Yeah. At the 5-star backyard.
Style, you know? Forget the fork.
And we have to eat the food. So Paris, blessings, peace. I'm just coming to you to let you know that officially that I did not really announce it on this channel that Uncle Murphy had a freak accident up by St. Mary last week. So then we posted a few videos, but because of that it kind of hamper with posting. But everybody's okay now, everybody is good. So in the other parts of this video, you're gonna see Dad. You're not gonna see Dad have the camera, but you're gonna hear him voice. I speak, and again, he's gonna be demonstrating to you, showing you the path that the car took during the little freak accident and all of that. I was not there. I was supposed to go, but unfortunately I did not. But we give thanks and all of that, and Uncle Murphy car was in the garage and it's out now and all of that. So we give God the glory and we give thanks and everything. And the Jamaican Debbie Deb's train continues. Yeah, you see my brooming at the background. I'm just sitting here right in my kitchen in a little corner, and I'm just putting in this little clip for you. So in the few clips to come, that is gonna demonstrate to you. But when I go back there, I will probably give you a more thorough or in-depth, more hilarious. I was not there, but the guys saw what happened and all of that. I don't know, say Curry hilarious. So we are gonna get him piece to it. Also in this clip, Curry speaks Corona. In this video, I'm sorry, Curry speaks Corona. So you might want to watch this little video. And I just want to say thanks for the love. We're taking our time climbing slowly but surely. We're trying to reach 20,000 subs by independence. And on the note or subject of independence, I want to say happy Independence Day to all my Americans on the 4th of July. And also, I know it gone, but happy belated Canada Day to all my Canadians. I don't know how I forget that, but guess what? Corona happen and things and time. All kind of all house come down upon me. Because we had another little accident today again, but it was the workman that had an accident. One of my workmen that is working for me in St. Mary. I mean, you might not understand because I don't put certain things on the camera. I told you, but I'm doing work there, but I haven't put stuff on the camera. So him is not a little one, but you know, he went to the doctor and everything and all that. He got his vehicle written off, and but we are proceeding. But you know, say everything Satan have to prims up himself and all of that. So work I go slow up again. But whatever it is, we will be proceeding. We find other avenues or other ways of working things out. We're gonna be set back again, but that's how it goes. That's life. I said on my last live, your fear makes you weak, but your faith makes you strong. So we are holding the faith and we're not losing the life, and nobody not critical, just like a shake up. So you know, been to the doctor and stuff, all of that. Uncle Murphy good again, and Carga St. Mary again, and all of that. So I'm just saying this to you. And for those of you who are trying to get to me pertaining to certain stuff and stuff with St. Mary, you gotta hook me up on Instagram. I'll be doing no business on YouTube in the comment section, Paris. You know, we have our ways, and I'm trying to work on a number, maybe I'm not sure as yet. But I'm trying to work on a means of communication so you can get to me that is convenient. Some people say they don't do Instagram, but me know say a whole heap of people must have email. Almost everybody have an email address or stuff. So that is that. So thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. It doesn't matter what we're doing right on over here. We ain't gonna let any evil take control. So we are want to not denounce the evil in the comment section. Last week, Uncle Murphy had the freak accident. This week, workman can't write up. But guess what? We are doing what we are doing, and we are glad there are no You know, no hard, no casualty, no death, no nothing at all. We're just giving thanks and all of that, you know. So I will just leave it at this for you. And in the next clip, Dad have the camera. So now I go see. Tell me where Dad do. Tell me I'm do. Tell me I'm demonstrate. Leave it in the comment section. Okay?
Yes, people, good morning. This is camera Dad sent me every day again. I guess you hear about the little freak accident. It was right here. See, I'm showing you the direct spot. So right here we come and park, and the car get away from Uncle Murphy. Right down the road. Down the road. Come to Murphy, come with me now. Yeah man, all of them part of the car that run. In reverse, you know, in reverse. So there was no control over it until we reach this little spot now on the car. Ooh, car get up in the air like when, you know, I tell you man, it was very scary. You know, and continue down. You know. Murphy, how you did feel?
We never feel scary.
You never feel scary? Oh boy, tell you, it was an experience, not true?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I go down the road back way with you, man. You know, all of them places so far. All right, and come right down here now, and we have a little corner to take. Why? Can go right around until we take the little corner, little bend or whatever you might call it, and him bank it. I'm going to show you the direct spot now where it bank. All right, see when bank it here, right here. See the impression on the side here, right here. And I'm going to tell you now. See the gully there? There's a gully over here, so now we, you know, it's going to go down, you know. So when you bank it now, the car itself swing right across the road. You can see the impression here, so too. Swing right across the road. And heading towards the gully. Yeah man, see it over there, so. But I tell you, that day was, it never normal. It never normal, trust me. Never normal, you know. Plus, there is another one down here, so again, which, why, this one is more, you know. Yeah man, see me I show you some more gully over here, so again. See it, huh? Yo boy, I tell you, see them there? Pure gully them places, so. Pure gully. Two-sided road, pure gully. Two-sided road. So, you know. It was just our luck that day. Catch a little more. Yeah man, them are going with some great things in the area up here now. See them a fixed road, them a grade off and what have you. Fixing road, that is what we want in the area. Good road for drive fan. Oh, good road for drive fan, you know. This is just a grading off fight, so probably like after this now then go and put on mall and what have you, you know. And Barber Green or whatever they want to do with it. We don't know yet, but this is the first segment of it. Grading it off first to get it level and then do the rest later on. Yeah man, as you can see, right around. Well, we don't know how far them going with it still, but I mean, you know, them doing some work. We say Corona do no curry.
Yeah, man, Corona no like stay with part the country people and they like stay with part crowd of
Crowd of people there.
A fat batty woman and
Yeah,
all
tell
this
you,
stuff there.
what them love suck
Yes,
and
they
pan.
love enjoy the moment of them time, you know what I mean?
And strong man, them, you know.
Corona around to cut down the variety, you know. You understand? The population too high. He might try to hold it down.
Yes, man.
Because he don't have enough to feed the population. So he might cut down most of the big door people them. That's why I make sure though. Take away people in pension.
Yeah, that dirty.
Take away people in pension and have we underneath one come and say, oh, if you don't come out here.
Yeah.
Judgment, you know.
Judgment.
I big people me I deal with, you know. Me then I'm not joking with them. Them have to come out of this. Then I joking thing, brother. Corona don't play with nobody, brother. Corona say who? If you're sick, stay far.
Yeah, man.
Because if you're sick and me come near, you're going to die.
Yeah.
Sure die. But if you're not sick, but we pass you, I heal you. But if you're sick in at all, you're in a problem with
In a
me.
problem.
Stay
Okay.
far. You understand?
So why problem for Corona now?
Well, you
what the
have-
remedy?
The remedy for the corona now, you have to have in the definitely the sour orange. You understand? You have to have a bush what they call it the Guinean weed. You understand? And you have to boil up all the sarsaparilla and then something there. But you see the most of the sour orange, when you juice the sour orange and drink the juice from the sour orange. Corona they not nothing with you, brother. Corona say no like nothing sour, you know. No, sir. You like with freshness. You rather stay on the front page. With fresh
But
people.
me hear the when you want the lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
Or the fever grass.
That's the fever grass.
It's the A1 capital, the capital that
You know, here one like the sour orange, you know. The sour orange have in the chemical for the corona, you know. But you see the juice from the sour orange, whooping up your pulse. You understand? So if the corona pass through and say him give you a body temperature test and find out your pulse too strong against him. He find out you're sorry, so he take away himself. You don't bother with no test with you.
Gone left you.
Immune system strong on them.
Renewing system too strong. You understand? Yeah, man, that is corona, man.
Yeah, man.